Here we have the DJI Osmo Nano, a compact wearable 4K action camera designed for vlogs, POVs and everyday adventures. Inside the box, the Osmo Nano camera itself, the vision dock to see what you're filming, but also for battery charging and file transfer to the Nano camera.
Okay, then for the accessories, we have a nice suction cup with an easy mount system. It sticks really well to smooth surfaces like car windows, dashboards, tiles or even a desk. Next up is the magnetic lanyard. This one lets you wear the camera on your chest, hands-free. Just clip it on and you're ready. Perfect for walking, playing with the kids or shooting POV clips without thinking about it. Then we have the protection cover to protect the camera and a cap clip. Just clip it on your cap and you're ready to go. So that's it, that's all that's in the box. So yeah, a very nice and very small camera with fantastic images. They come in 64GB or 128GB, and you still have an SD slot to put an extra SD card for more memory.
Key features: high image quality from the big sensor, super portable, action-ready design and built for quick sharing. If you're doing travel, family clips or hands-free vlogging, this thing seriously fits.